Hello, Mr. Yashar, and maybe also my friends, of course, if you watch. Welcome to my presentation of week 12. Mm, we have 11 topics in this week. So let's continue with the Zoom. Welcome again. Okay, here are our topics, and as you see, we will mention about mainly about ongoing advances. Okay, so start with the God is left-handed. What I mean from this title, what I understood from this title. The overturning of periodic conservation was a significant development in the understanding of fundamental forces in the universe, of course. And parity is a concept related to symmetry of physical process under spatial inversion. It means that flipping right and left. Okay. And here are some works for this topic. Post World War II researchers and Tau Theta paradox, conservation of parity, Qin Xiong Wu experiments, Yang and Li theory, Wolfgang Paul's reaction, GPT theorem, time reversal, and implications for the universe. Okay, all of this are important and critical advances and for helping the advances. But to be honest, I have no much information about them. Okay. And the second topic is the space race. Wow, it's important. The space race between the United States and the Soviet Union lasted during the late 1950s and 1960s. And in 1957, during the International Geophysical Year, both the United States and Soviet Union announced that announced plans to launch artificial satellites as part of their scientific efforts. Okay, and the space race was a period of intense competition and technological advancements, culminating in the historic achievements of landing humans on moon by the United States. Okay, so there were a conflict about the space accessing between the United States and Soviet Union. Okay, the lasers. Okay, Arthur Scarlow, yes, Arthur Scarlow proposed using the maser, not laser, first maser principle for light amplification in 1958, and the term laser, it means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, was briefly laser, was created to Columbia University graduate student Gordon Gold, who conceived the idea in 1957. Theodore Mayman built the first effective laser in May 1960, and then there are applications of lasers, of course. The early uses of lasers included cutting and welding in heavy industry and medical practices, of course, and then surgeons used lasers as scalpels, and ophthalmologists employed them to weld damaged retinas. And lasers were also considered for feature power sources such as lightning and igniting hydrogen fusion. Okay, so lasers are so important for the some technology and some even if in medicine and everywhere, almost everywhere. And the chip transistors, it means chips, emerged as replacements for bulky vacuum tubes, leading to smaller electronic devices with similar functionalities. Sorry for my pronunciation. Sorry, I just tired. Okay. There was a conflict between Kilby and Noyce for the patent of chip. Okay, they are both studied this chip studies this chip at the same time, but they conflict and dispute for the patents of this. Okay. But they both have contributions on the chip's development, of course. But Noyce took the patents, and both took medal. Okay. In the end, seeing the whole sky is the another topic. Sorry. Astronomy is primarily an observational science, and its progress often relies on new observational techniques. Galileo's use of a telescope revolutionized astronomy, leading to numerous discoveries in a short period. And with the discovery of X-rays and radio waves, examining of sky or space has got easier. Of course, their important inventions provided the seeing more detailed, maybe not maybe, it's curtained. Okay. And quasars, sorry. I just learned it's so new. And okay, what's the quasars? The word quasar stand for quasi-stellar radio source. Quasars got that name because they looked star-like when astronomers first began to notice them in the late 1950s and early 60s. The quasars aren't stars. Scientists now know they are young galaxies located at vast distance from us. They're so away from us. And how can they be so far and still visible? Okay, its answer is their brightness, guys. They're extremely bright, and not about, up to 1,000 times brighter than our Milky Way galaxy. They're brighter than sun. They're brighter than our galaxy. Yes. Ecology and ecology and sociobiology. Ecology, the science of relationships between organisms and their environments, has a history dating back to the late 18th century. I think it's actually earlier, date back earlier years. And the term ecology itself was coined in 1866, meaning the study of the house. Yes. And however, ecology gained prominence after the World War II with significant contributions from environmental movements that began in the 1960s, notably Cheryl Carson book Silent Spring. And the plate tectonics. Yes, I know we have a lot of topics, sorry, but it's homework. Plate tectonics, let's mention about them. German meteorologist Alfred Wegener proposed the idea of continental drift. It means the continents were once part of a single landmass, and then they're broken apart, and just now. Okay, they became now, sorry. Okay, Harry Hess theory, proposed in 1960, suggests that new ocean crust forms at mid-ocean rifts, and the oldest crust sinks into deep ocean trenches. It's also a theory. The confirmation of these ideas combined with continental drifts and led to the development of plate tectonics. The theory that Earth's crust is divided into large plates, some containing ocean and continental crusts, which move through a partly fluid region beneath the crust. Okay. This picture can help you to understand maybe for something sitting. Okay. Unifying forces. Actually, this title means that everything is related to each other. Every science, every technology, every advance are actually related to each other, and they are always develop each themselves with their helps and exploring the planets. Okay, of course, with the telescopes and radar technology like rockets, etc. The exploration of the planet within our solar system has been a fascinating journey marked by technological advancements and discovery of new insights. Okay, human beings always are always were curious about something. It's include the planets, of course, and with the telescopes, radar technology, or etc. It's they provide many information from space. Sorry. And our last topic, I mean, yes, scanning the body. After the World War II, powerful computers made mathematical tomography applicable. And then technology advanced more and more, like X-rays, MRA, and sorry, NMR and CT scans. It's always developed, and with these advances, people can examine the human body's inner structure and function more safer and more detailed. Yes, look at this, how the technology is developed. Oh, sorry. And thanks for your attention. Maybe see you soon. Maybe it's farewell. Just see you later. Bye.